Hey everybody, this is Kelly of Kelly Sex Stories, and as you may know, Wendy Williams has finally filed for divorce in the state of New Jersey, in the county of Essex County, and that it was filed in the family division of Superior Court, and it's considered as a dissolution case. And with this case, I believe what's going to happen is that they're going to look at the assets that Miss Williams has with her husband, Kelvin Hunter, aka Kevin Hunter, because there's a lot of things that she has tied up with him through her management company, I believe. And the issue is that I believe he is the producer. He's either the producer or the director of her current show that airs on television right now. And I think he also was involved in her other business ventures. So I think this might end up being a very interesting and very messy situation, because they're going to divide all these things and figure out, what goes to whom and why. But during this situation, people had said allegedly that this man was physically abusive to her. But I'm not sure about that. I don't have enough evidence to prove that. But allegedly, from what we see, for what we can tell, that he has a mistress by the name of Sharita, who he has a daughter with, who people have said that he had paid the hospital in Philadelphia for their services to try to keep things private, but things were not kept private, and it was exposed by UnwinewithTashaK. She had exposed where Sharita and Kelvin were having the baby. And then afterwards, allegedly, he had bought Sharita a new car, perhaps a push gift for her giving birth to their daughter, a Ferrari. And I think recently, before that, I think he might have bought her a Bentley truck or something like that. And as you know, from some sources have already said that he had bought a house for her right down the street from his wife. But it's like, you can't get any dirtier than that. I mean, it's bad enough for you to cheat on your wife, but man, to just have your mistress right down the street from your wife and be using her money to buy your mistress everything, it can't get any worse than that. That's really cold-blooded. So basically, a lot of people have said, or they have been thinking that Wendy Williams was obviously very upset and that she could have gotten into an altercation with him, and that might have been the reason why her arm was in a sling, because she might have confronted him. It might have got physical, who knows. But what we do know is that she confessed that she checked herself into a sober home because she went back to drinking. And I believe the reason why that is because of the situation with her husband, that she's very so heartbroken from this. And I think a lot of people, some people feel for her, and I think a lot of people don't feel for her, because she always talked about other people's lives and talked about what she would do if her husband were to cheat on her, that she would jump up and leave him. But then when the situation did arise in her life, she just didn't leave automatically. She stayed there for quite some time, even though she pretty much knew that the love was done and the situation was over with. She still stuck it out with him, even though she shouldn't have. So, tell me your thoughts on this situation. Do you feel sorry for her? Do you not feel sorry for her? Do you think she stayed longer than she should have stayed? Like, share, and subscribe. I'm out.